Hello everyone and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Awama, a delicious fried dough ball soaked in syrup. Here are the ingredients to make the Awama. First, we're going to prepare our yeast mixture so it can rise while we're making the rest of the dough. So I added a little bit of the water, some yeast, sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to mix that and let it sit, and make sure you cover it as well. So we're going to mix the dry ingredients first, so the flour, the cornstarch, the baking powder, and the fine semolina. Mix your dry ingredients well before adding your wet ingredients. Also, don't forget to add your pinch of salt. Add the wet ingredients, so that's the oil and the simple syrup, and mix well. My yeast mixture has been sitting for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add it to my dough, and I'm going to mix really well. Add the rest of the water to the dough and keep on kneading. You want to knead this dough for at least 10 minutes non-stop. As you're kneading, slap your dough against the bowl like this. After kneading my dough for about 10 minutes, it has a smooth, creamy consistency with no lumps, and that's the way it should be. Cover your dough and let it rest for 30 minutes before frying. Before you start putting the dough into the oil, you want to make sure your hand is wet so the dough doesn't stick to it, as well as your spoon. You keep dipping the spoon into the water so it slides off easily into the fryer. Make sure your oil is on medium heat to not burn the awama, and we're going for a golden brown look because we're frying them twice. As you can see, the awama is golden brown. Remember, we're frying them twice, so we don't want to burn them. Having your hands wet as well as your spoon really helps make a good shape for the awama, and it slides right into the fryer. I finally finished frying my dough the first time. Now it's time to fry them for the second time. And as you fry them the second time, you're going to keep on moving them just like this to make sure they don't burn and have an even color to them. After frying my awama for about 10 minutes, they're nice and crispy and ready to be dunked into the syrup. Leave them to soak into the syrup for about 20 minutes. There you have it, delicious awama, a crunch in every bite. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and ring that bell too.